So let's talk about, excuse me, how to naturally clean your grill. This is very important, y'all, because you don't want to get sick. And not only that, hold on, y'all, let me get my toothbrush. Not only that, you want to make sure you do this once a week, okay? So we got peroxide, okay? For your peroxide, you can get these little containers at the Dollar Tree now, okay? So how we gonna do this? We also have baking soda, toothbrush, and you need your toothpaste, okay? Now, I know that fluoride is bad for you. Hold on, y'all. I know that fluoride is bad for you, but normally I clean my gold teeth with fluoride. Okay. But these are my teeth, and all you got to do, stick them in there. Now, look at that. It's going to start bubbling, baby. It's cleaning. Kind of disgusting, right? Hey, but we got to make sure we clean these things, okay? You don't want to leave that in there forever, okay? So you want to leave that in there for at least 30 seconds, okay? So I'm going to let the time go by, 30 seconds, you know, da-da-da-da-da-da. Once we take them out of here, okay, we're going to dip them in here. Once we dip them in here, we're going to brush them. We need to do this 3 times, y'all. 3 times. Depending on how bad your teeth are, if you ain't never cleaned them, you might want to leave them in for a minute, okay? So I'm going to take them out. I'm going to just, you know, that's why I got that towel right there. You know what I mean? Take one. Bingo. Put it on there. Now let me go wet my toothbrush. And we're going to start cleaning it. Okay? You want to clean it just like this. That's why I got a towel here at the bottom, y'all. You want to clean it just like this. Let me move this. I don't want that stuff dropping into my stuff. Get the top of it. The inside of it. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go rinse this out. Okay. Then we're going to dip it back in there. See? See how that works? Grab this one. We need to do this 3 times now, y'all. 3 times. Now we got some bubbling going on. This is how you clean your grill. Don't leave it in the water too long, okay? I mean in the peroxide too long. It's not going to do nothing to it, but I don't want your if you got opal or stuff like that, you don't want to leave it in there too long, okay? So just leave it in there for 30 seconds to a minute. Let's go rinse this off. All right, it's getting good. It's getting good. Look at that. It's getting real good. Put it back in there. Bingo. 3 times, y'all. But for the video's sake, I'm going to do it only for 2 times. Okay? Put this on there. Bingo. Wow. Make sure you grab the toothpaste. I'm having a serious mess here. That's okay. This is how you clean your grill. Okay? And the great thing about this natural way, once you finish rinsing it off, you can pop it in your mouth. Straight up. Fresh breath. Stay down with Jacob's Jewels. So fresh and so clean. To place an order with me, how it works is I send you the price list. At the top are the amount of teeth that you pick, the carat that you pick. I do have white gold, even though it's not on there. At the bottom are the add-ons, okay? And with each add-on, there's a design, okay? And you get to design your own grill, okay? So the next step, I send you a design your grill form. You fill that out. Now, some of you all don't have a pen on your phone, so what you will do is download an app that's called Write on Photo. Okay, Write on Photo, you're able to fill out that form, design your grill. Once that's sent back to me, I know it's on. I know you're ready to rock and roll because you done designed your grill form. And not only that, I'm able to give you a calculation. Okay, so the total, I'm able to give that, but that's why I give you that price sheet so that you can check the total and your add-ons and everything, okay? Once you send that back to me, then I'm able to send you a payment link, okay? So once your order is paid, I will ship out your mold kit to you, okay? It takes about 3 to 5 business days for your mold kit. Now, depending on how fast you ship that back to me, depends on how fast we finish your grill, okay? So normally it takes 1 to 3 business weeks for your grill to be done. But we definitely strive to make sure you happy. And we definitely, if there's anything that we need to fix, we will fix it. So I got videos on how you tighten up your grill. I got videos on all kinds of things. My next video I'm going to do is how you clean your grill. That's the video I need to do. But this is how you place an order with me on my IG, Instagram, or even on my Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook, okay? It's Hebrew Grillz on Facebook.